closing process is where a real estate transaction is finalized and ownership officially transfers from the seller to the buyer. On the Arizona real estate exam, you'll see questions about escrow, settlement procedures, and closing documents. Welcome back to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam series. In this module, we're covering the core concepts of real estate closings and settlement procedures. Let's begin with the concept of escrow. Escrow is the process in which a neutral third party holds money and documents on behalf of the buyer and seller until all conditions of the purchase contract have been satisfied. The escrow company ensures that both parties fulfill their obligations before the transaction closes. In Arizona, escrow companies often handle the coordination of documents, funds, and instructions needed to complete the transaction. Next, let's talk about closing. Closing is the final step in the real estate transaction when ownership officially transfers from the seller to the buyer. During closing, the buyer signs loan documents, the seller signs transfer documents, and funds are distributed according to the settlement statement. Another important concept is the settlement statement. This document provides a detailed breakdown of all financial aspects of the transaction. It shows the purchase price, loan amounts, closing costs, prorations, and the final amount each party must pay or receive. You may hear the settlement statement referred to as a closing disclosure in finance transactions. Now let's discuss prorations. Prorations are adjustments made at closing to fairly divide expenses between the buyer and seller. Common prorations include property taxes, homeowner association dues, and sometimes rent if the property has tenants. For example, if property taxes are paid annually but the property sells in the middle of the year, the taxes are prorated so each party pays their fair share. Another important part of the closing process is escrow instructions. Escrow instructions outline the responsibilities of each party and provide the escrow officer with directions on how to complete the transaction. These instructions ensure that the terms of the purchase contract are carried out properly. Now let's briefly discuss title companies and title insurance. Before closing, the title company conducts a title search to verify that the seller has the legal right to transfer the property. Title insurance policies are then issued to protect the buyer and lender against potential defects in the title. Understanding the closing process helps ensure that real estate transactions are completed accurately and legally. In Part 2, we'll walk through Arizona-style exam questions covering escrow, prorations, settlement statements, and closing procedures. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.